How to build a Notion landing page. Want to turn Notion into website? Let's build a landing page step by step. So start by creating a new page in Notion. So go ahead and create a new page. Now in here, go ahead and add a clear title, a cover image, and an icon to set the tone. Now use headings for hierarchy, call out blocks to highlight key points, columns for layout, and embeds for videos or forms. Dividers help keep sections clean. You can also add in sections such as a hero with your tagline, features and columns, testimonials for social proof, pricing or offers, and a strong call to action at the end. So once your page is ready, go ahead and click on the share button at the top right, and then go ahead and look for the publish to web option, copy the link, and once your page is ready, you can publish it to the web, copy the link, and your Notion page is now live as a landing page. And that is how to build a Notion landing page.